In the world of scrap metal welding, the scrap fly and creativity metal with craftsmanship to transform discarded pieces of metal into something new and valuable. Scrap metal welding is not just a practical skill, it is art form of breathe life into discarded materials, giving them a second chance to usefulness. Either you are seeing welder just starting on your journey, this video is your guide to mastering the art of scrap metal welding, from slaving old car parts to repurposing industrial equipment. The possibilities in scrap metal welding are as vast as your imagination. We will dive deep into the techniques and tools that will help you unlock your welding potential. We will explore the different types of welding process, including make and stick to stick welding, and discuss their respective strength and application in the scrap metal weld. You will gain insight into choosing the right welding machine, selecting the appropriate welding electrode, and ensuring safety precautions at the base of your project. But it is not just about technical aspects. Scrap metal welding is not creativity. We will develop into the artistry of welding, discussing design principles, aesthetic, and how to infuse your project. For your unique style, we will learn about the importance of proper material preparation, including cleaning, grinding, and preheating to ensure strong and durable weld. We will also cover essential tips and tricks for working with different types of metal, from mild steel to stainless steel and aluminum. We will journey through this video. We will gain a deeper understanding of the importance of safety in scrap metal welding. We will discuss protective gear, ventilation, the best practice to minimize the risks associated with welding. Your safety and safety of those around you are paramount. We will emphasize the importance of responsible welding practice. Additionally, we will explore advanced welding techniques such as multi-pass welding, welding dissimilar metals, and use emphasize welding rods. You will discover how to tackle complex projects, from fabricating custom sculpture, restoring vintage machinery. We will develop into the world of welding certification of your enhance your career prospect in your welding industry. In the in video, we will provide concept into environment benefits of scrap metal welding. By repurposing and recycling matter, you will contribute and reducing waste and conserving valuable resources. We will discuss the economic aspect of scrap metal welding, including potential income stream through the scale of your creation, offering welding services to others. In the world of scrap metal welding, every project is a chance of creating something remarkable of your discarded remnants of the past and journey of transformation where all become new and creativity now unbound. So either you are hobbyist looking to enhance your skills for professional welders seeking to expand your. Join of this comprehensive exploration of scrap metal welding together with ignite your spark of inspiration and forgive a path toward mastery in the captivating and fulfilling crafts, training, turned and let drive in the world of scrap metal welding. Scrap metal welding, we embark on journey of creativity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. Scrap metal welding, a unique fusion of art and science, is a process of transforming discarded metal into functional and aesthetically pleasing creation. This explored the intricacies of the craft, revealing the secret of expert welders and tools they weld and the environmental benefits that stem from repurposing discarded materials. So grab your welding marks and let get drive into the memorizing reclaim of scrap metal welding. Thank you so much for watching this video.